Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the variables. A key programming concept is the notion of a variable. Like many other programming languages, JavaScript has variables. Variables can be thought of as named containers. You can place data into these containers and then refer to that data simply by naming the container. Now, how to create these variables? You can create a variable by simple assignment operator. Here, this is the syntax of a variable. var var is a keyword of JavaScript which is used to declare a variable, and my variable is the name of variable. Here, semicolon. Then if we want to assign some value to this variable, you should write the value at the right side of assignment operator, like this. If you want to do this in a single line, you should follow this syntax, where keyword, my variable is a variable name, assignment operator, and then value of that variable, then semicolon. There are some rules for JavaScript variables names. You can create JavaScript variable which contain any letter of alphabet or digits between 0 to 9 and the underscore character, but you can't use spaces and punctuation characters like comma and full stop. The first character of variable name cannot be a digit. JavaScript variable names are case sensitive. For example, here the first name and this first name both are different. Now let's go through the example. In this script, I am going to declare variable m is equal to JavaScript. Okay, I have created m variable and its value is JavaScript string. If I want to create any numerical variable in simple way, I can write any number here right side. Okay, we have declared variable and then assign value to these variables. Let's display this variable by using our document.write function. Here m variable Here I have used plus for concatenation. This is string plus concatenation of variable plus used for the concatenation. It means to join string and variable and string and numerical variable. Let's check the output in our browser. So here this is the output of our program. M variable contains value JavaScript and I variable contains value 23, which is numerical value. You can also assign values to variables multiple times, like this. Variable a is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, a is equal to 3. But each time variable is replaced with new value. Here value of a is first we have assigned value 1, then it will be replaced with value 2, and then last it will be replaced with value 3. Let's take a look at the output. Refresh our browser. Okay, So now here we have value of a, which is 3, which is the last value that we have assigned to variable a. I hope now you have clear idea about the JavaScript variables.